I hit this issue to date, and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're looking to download your account statements on Neteller, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Log into your Neteller account. Visit the Neteller website or open the app and enter your login credentials. Make sure you have your two-factor authentication ready if you have it enabled. Step 2. Navigate to the Reports section. Once logged in, look for the Reports with Statements tab in the main menu. This is usually found in the Account Overview section. Step 3. Select the statement type. Choose the type of statement you want to download, such as transaction history or monthly statements. You may also have options for specific date ranges. Step 4. Download the statement. After selecting your desired statement, look for a download button. Click it and the file will typically be in PDF or CSV format. Step 5. Check your downloads folder. Once the download is complete, navigate to your device's downloads folder to access your statement. If you don't see it, check your browser settings for the download location. I hope this guide helps you easily download your Neteller account statements. If you have any questions, feel free to ask